My name's Anthony. I've been for a hip operation on my right hip at Kinvara. To describe my experience in one word would be excellent. The care at the hospital is first class. I've just said to the doctor, if there's another word above that, I'd say it. It was brilliant. All night long, they kept an eye on you. You got your medication if you needed anything, food if you needed anything, a drink all the time. The water was always freshed up, lovely cold water, and they were there all the time for you, days and nights. The problems I had before surgery were, walking, couldn't walk long distances, couldn't do the garden like I used to, and I have struggled with it for too long. And I thought, I'll have to get it sorted out. And I'm so pleased I did, because it's worth it. It is painful at the beginning, but it's definitely worth it. And as the weeks progress, you're just getting better and better every time. I've just seen the doctor and he said there's no problem, I don't need my sticks anymore or anything like that. The things I can do now, I can definitely do my gardening and I can drive, which is a relief because you do miss, when you can't drive you do miss it. I can finally have a bath as well instead of a shower. So that's been a great thing and all to look forward to. You've got to have it done. It's not going to get any better at all. You've got to have the surgery, and you will be, after 6 weeks, you'll be just glad you had it, because it's the best thing you could have. It makes your life so much better as it was before.